Hey folks, Ryan Rock here from my home office in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, coming at you from ryanrock.com. And today I want to show you a couple different ways to use funnels. I personally use ClickFunnels, but to use funnels to build your network marketing business, your MLM business, really the three main types of funnels that you need. I'll show you my exact funnels that my team and I use. And I also want to show you how you can get ClickFunnels for only $19 a month. It might be $19.99, but as you can see on the screen here, if you go to ClickFunnels and go to their sign up chart, the only thing that they will advertise and show you, the only thing most people talk about is the $97 a month plan and the $297 a month plan. And I'll show you how you can get it much, much cheaper than that and save you hundreds, especially as you're just starting to grow and use funnels for your marketing business and stuff like that. So with that, let's go ahead and there's really three types of funnels that you need. You need a home business, home meeting, one-on-one meeting type of a presentation funnel. And what I like to do is I like to have one for my team to use that everybody can use on my team. And then I have a personal one. And then I also have a product-specific funnel, and I have a business-specific funnel. So really there's four there, but you don't need all of those. So let's just start at the top here. Let me show you. So this is, and I'm going to make my picture a little smaller. This is the capture page, the landing page of my team funnel, and this is one of them, and you can make variations of this pretty easily, especially with ClickFunnels. But the key to the team funnel is we're going to capture the person's name, we're going to capture their email address, and then we want to capture who referred them to the site. Okay, so what's key about that is I want my team, and especially my new members, to only be focused on driving traffic to sending people to this presentation. And so as long as we can capture who referred them there, then we'll be able to plug them, if those people are buying or joining or whatever, we'll plug them into, being enrolled underneath the person who referred them here. So this is a key piece, is who referred them here. After they submit their information, they'll see the presentation. We'll kind of emphasize scheduling a call, but we also have some testimonial videos. Again, schedule a call. The reason I like to do schedule a call is, again, I want my people, particularly new people, to be focused on getting people to the presentation, okay? And this is particularly warmer traffic, right? Cold traffic, they wouldn't necessarily know who is referring them here. So this is for my team for warmer traffic. And then I want them scheduling a call. That simply goes to a scheduler so that then myself or my team leaders can handle, and go through and answer questions and help people to get started. And again, my new people don't need to know how to answer all the questions because we're having team leaders do that for them. So who's referring them there? Presentation, schedule a call. Okay, that's how we do a team funnel. Then this here is a product-focused funnel. Your product funnels need to be specific. You can see here I got a little teaser video, but you want to be specific about what your product does. Okay, not so much of what it is, but what it does. So after somebody submits their information, we've got basically a couple different videos here that they can go through. Step one, what it's about. Step two is a longer presentation, and then step three is how to place their order. Again, some testimonials, and click here to order. Okay. I also have a second one that is more of a sales page because, again, you want your pages focused on what the benefits are. See that? The benefits. Okay. Most of your company funnels or company sales pages and stuff are going to be more focused on what it is, not what it does. So I do have my own product page here as well, with some testimonials with buy buttons. Okay. You don't have to have that. I do like to have it and then drive some traffic to that. Then you need, or at least I like to have, a business-focused funnel. And I actually have two different business-focused funnels. One Both of them look both pages are something similar to this, okay? And in the headline here, you always want it to be something that's reasonable. If you say, discovered how to earn, $40,000 a month, people are just gonna be like, yeah, right. They don't believe it. They don't believe that they can do it. You need this to be, a smaller number so that it seems achievable. Then this is my favorite one in this scenario, in this opportunity funnel. And again, this is a personal funnel. In this one, I'm doing an opportunity overview. Then I'm taking them through the steps to success. So video 2 is steps to success, where they'll see, just a shorter presentation. It's 11 minutes where I'm talking through how to be successful, how to, reach your goals, and how to move through the ranks of our business. Then video 3 is creating a game plan to help them move through those ranks. And what I do is I like to help people who come into my team is I'll have them watch this, but then I want to sit down with them or go over the phone with them exactly how to reach, achieve their goals, so that they have a game plan and they know what to do and what we're doing and how we're doing it and so on. And then I have, a product, more of a product page, product heavy, stuff here, just in case they want to learn more. Notice here again, I'm talking about the benefits of the products, that kind of stuff. Finally, on this funnel here, I didn't show you all this yet because I wanted you to see kind of what the pages look like. But then what we're doing is we're having them fill out an application to join the team. Or if they have questions before they fill out the application, they can click here to schedule a call. The scheduler looks just like that other page. But again, this one's directly to my calendar so that they're scheduling a calendar with me, or I can hire that out and have a personal assistant, somebody else, do all that stuff for me. But I want people to apply to work with me. I don't want just anybody. I want people to apply. You can send them straight to, to your join your business page. I wouldn't recommend it. Every now and then I will throw this little page down here. If you're ready right now, click here to join. Oftentimes I have this part hidden, but every now and then I will turn it on and let people go ahead and do that. So that would take them right to it. But, let's keep it more of, fill out the application to join or schedule a call if you have questions. The other opportunity funnel would go from that landing page, where you capture name and email and phone number. Quite often we'll do phone number, and then go straight to a presentation. Click here to apply. A little product video, hear what others are saying. Get started now, click here to apply. So not quite as much stuff there. That's why I like the other one better, because it really shows people how we help them to, how they do this, okay? Here's how we do this. And this one is just more of a presentation. So 2 different options, both work great. Just wanted you to kind of see that. Then, as you're growing your business, especially if you don't want to talk to family and friends, you need a way to capture leads, to capture people who are interested in what you have, whether that's product, business, whatever, however you're going about targeting your market, and finding your target market and creating leads. So this is one of the lead capture pages that I use. You need one. You need something to be able to capture leads so you can keep growing your database and getting people coming to you to join you. So in this scenario, it's just a simple lead capture. Click here to download the checklist. I'm only capturing email there. I'm keeping it, very little friction in this funnel. After they do that, here's where they can go and download the checklist. Checklist is a pretty, I'm trying to remember how many pages it ended up, like 7 or 8 pages long. And then I will show them a couple other things, trainings and stuff, as well as how to get, ClickFunnels for only $19 a month. So that's my lead capture page. You need something as you grow your business. This is, how I do it. Again, ClickFunnels, typically $97 a month. You can get it free for 14 days, and then it's $97 or $297. If you go to my blog, and I'll put links for some of the stuff down below in the comments section, or in the video details section. But if you go to my blog, go to blog, ryanrock.com, RAAK.com. Go to my blog. I explain right in here how to get ClickFunnels for $19 a month. The main thing is you have to get a shared funnel. Okay, you can't, if you just start funnels from scratch, you will have to pay the full amount. If somebody shares their funnels with you and you download them into your own account, now you can get it for $19 a month. That's what I want to show you how to do here. I do have a couple templates. I think that's on this blog post here. Just generic templates that you can go ahead and do this. Yeah, home meeting style, automated webinar style, free ebook, free giveaway, lead capture. So you can grab those right there and get started with the $19 a month. Totally can. If you have questions, comment on that page, shoot me a message through Facebook or Twitter or whatever. However, I want to show you something that's even better than that. What I've also done here is I've created a training that you can go and watch. It's called the MLM Smart Marketing System. Go watch that. I talk about all the funnels and why you need them and how they work and so on in a much deeper, in a full presentation, type of a scenario, in a video training. And sorry, I got somebody keeps calling. And if you watch that, I will give you the option at the end of it to essentially buy all my funnels. And the funnels that I have in there today, let me show you right here. I have the home meeting funnel, I have product funnel, I have cold market funnel, and then the multi-video opportunity funnel. And what you'll see here is when you click on this, it will actually download right into your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have one yet, it'll help you to create one. But this video tutorial goes through on each one of these funnels of how to set it up for your business, what you need to change, how you change it. It'll walk you right through everything you need to do so that you can use my exact funnels or take my exact funnels and then tweak them as necessary for your products or business. But that way you're not just starting with a generic template. That way you've got something that is real life, in use, being used, team funnel, product funnel, everything, right? I want you to be able to have the options for all of that. And it takes hours and hours and hours to create these funnels, okay? Hours. You need to understand copywriting. You need to understand a lot of different logistics of how this stuff works. And so here's what I'm doing is I'm basically, giving you the option to purchase all of my funnels. Okay. So that's what it is. When if you go through the MLM Smart Marketing System, you watch that video tutorial, there's a lot there. I'll answer a lot of questions. I just kind of wanted to give you a glimpse at what this stuff is, why you need these funnels, what these funnels do, etc. So, see here, if I had anything else. So that was just it's another business funnel. So I think that's it. I again, just wanted to kind of show you what funnels you need for network marketing. I personally like ClickFunnels. I've done it by hand by doing on my WordPress blog. I've used Lead Pages. Lead Pages is decent. ClickFunnels is just so much better because you can take those funnels. Once you take the funnels, if you buy my funnels, then you can take those funnels, tweak them for your business, for your team, and literally give them to your team members where they can then access them for $19 a month. Okay, that's how simple it is. And you just when you get the funnels, all you do is I'm going to open this in incognito window because otherwise they'd re-download right into my own account, and I don't want that. But when you click on that, they'll drop right into your ClickFunnels account, and you'll see right here of the pages that are all inside there. So you'll see the opt-in, the video, the VSL, as well as I might just have a second opt-in on that one. So two different style opt-ins. I think you can really faintly see this one's got a buy now button at the top. This one does not, because that's where I just have that other product funnel right there is what I did. So that way I could have those 4 funnels actually inside 3. There's sneaky little ways to be able to take advantage, because when you do the shared $19 a month ClickFunnels account, you actually only get to use 3 funnels total, but you get 10 pages. So like in this scenario, if I only have an opt-in page and a video page, that's only 2. If you do 3 funnels that are only 2 pages each, that's only 6. Hey, I got extra pages here. Well, I'll just go create another funnel actually that's inside the first funnel. That's a whole nother story. We can go through that another time. But those are the funnels you need to use to grow and to really kind of start your automation of building a network marketing business, an MLM business, with funnels, with automation, and so on. So with that, Ryan Rock here signing out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I'll put links to a lot of this stuff right down in the details of the video. So have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.